Wonders of the Sea and Ocean World. Wonders of the World of the Seas and Oceans. Wonders of the Sea and Ocean World. The life of the seas and oceans is characterized by a set of different contradictions that combine pure beauty, panic, and infinite terror, and in general, there are many wonders associated with the world of the seas and oceans, all of which demonstrate the greatness. The sea butterfly, one of the most wondrous marine organisms, lives on the frozen white seafloor of northwestern Russia up to 40 meters deep, in a harsh area of harsh conditions, where darkness and extreme cold, and their bodies are completely transparent, so that they can hide and protect themselves from enemies. The plandeal is one of the most dangerous species of marine organisms, and its presence is widespread on beaches overlooking the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Its body is striped in black and white in the form of rings, fed on frogs and fish, and is considered a deadly poison, paralyzing its prey. The multi-hearted fish, spread in warm and tropical areas, is characterized by its round shape and is blue and gold, and some of its species have 3 hearts for it, and feeds by issuing electrical charges that turn into air bubbles in the water, and form a light around its jaws, attracting small fish to it. The ocean sunfish, called the unique mola mala or the moonfish, lives in temperate and tropical regions and is a fish recorded in the Guinness Book of Records. It is considered the largest of the world's great fish and one of the most productive vertebrates of eggs, and one of the most important strange things about this fish is that its body develops 40 species of marine parasites. Transparent jellyfish, a marine organism belonging to the mollusk species, invertebrates, is most commonly present in the tropics and subtropical regions, similar in form to the cyst, and its gel strength, with a water content of approximately 95% of its weight, and its body is devoid of mind, heart, bones, blood, eyes, stomach and digestive system are uncomplicated. By distinguishing and recognizing the danger, the marking of transparent jellyfish is capable of killing humans in less than 5 minutes. Multiplying by placing its eggs in a fixed place waiting for it to hatch and then go elsewhere to complement its life cycle in the form of groups. Sea slugs, called topless gills or sea rabbits, are too small to exceed a few inches, and their bodies are spread over hoops, appendages, and bumps, and their beautiful and attractive colors vary, depending on the color of the algae they eat, sponges, jellyfish, and some oysters, which helps her eat her food together. The bloodfish, spread in the Amazon River in Brazil, Mexico, and the southern United States of America, feeds on meat. Its sharp teeth help it eliminate its prey and turn it into a skeleton within a few minutes, up to 15 centimeters and half a meter long. Sea and ocean phenomena. In the seas and oceans there is a range of wonders and phenomena, most notably eating sharks for their young. White sharks eat their young from the same species when hungry immediately after birth, with sharks born every 2 or 3 years respectively, and the number of young in each birth ranges from 2 to 12. The appearance of green light in the sea. A light appears green for seconds, and as for the date of appearance, it is when the sun meets during sunrise and sunset with the surface of the water, resulting in the separation of colors from each other for only a few seconds, but the reasons are unknown. Boruca phenomenon. The phenomenon occurs when a hole appears between tidal waves. In particular, it occurs at the confluence of the Atlantic Ocean with the Amazon River with the aim of producing continuous waves of 3.66 meters. Whale carcasses appear on the beach. The bodies of whales appear from time to time on the beach, causing them to approach the beach so much that they are difficult to return to the ocean, resulting in them feeling dehydrated and then dead. Seared tide. This phenomenon is a dangerous natural phenomenon that directly affects marine life and is produced by marine algae that produce highly toxic substances, killing marine animals and polluting the water. Black sea steam phenomenon. Black steam in the upper reaches of the seas is formed when very cold sea air meets with extreme heat sunlight, and it is worth mentioning that it is called black fog. White sea foam or sea butter. Foam is formed in the sea due to the spread of a certain type of algae, single-celled algae. Butter appears as a washing powder, and once mixed with seawater, white foam washes the beaches. Undersea waterfall in the Strait of Denmark. There is an undersea waterfall in the Strait of Denmark, a waterfall where cold and hot water meets. Bermuda Triangle. This triangle is found in the Caribbean Sea, causing material losses and many injuries, and over time new theories have shown the secret to the disappearance of aircraft and ships when approaching it. To another meeting.